Alright, there we go. SAG USD hourly chart, technical analysis, silver versus the US dollar, chat trades here, hourly chart, MA5, all the way down to MA 200. So the MA 200 is where we are going down to. We are selling the MA5 really. So, and we were really selling from past the MA 100 actually, past 421 of past 521 up to like 621, kind of selling from there like yesterday. So since yesterday it dropped to this. So this is $50, $60 trade, every trade from last night, 24 hours. So it was 1960. So to 19, so that's $60 a trade. You would have had 5 trades in, it's 324 hours. Had 7 trades in, 10 trades in, you're talking $700. You know what I'm saying? You're talking $500 in 24 hours, easy. So that's what we're doing for you now. And that sound like Lil Wayne breaking down charts for you. So here's the actual account right here. Boom, because I filmed the video right before this, so I'll upload both of them. But boom, $2 in profit, and that's just how it's going down, people. And we could, be silly and get into another trade in the same direction, and that's cool. That's the only decision we should make. If you are gonna make another decision right now, look, this trade is in profits. Do not go against this trade until this trade goes against you. Like real talk. Until this trade crashes, do not go the opposite direction, because you already know the MA 200 on the hourly has not been touched yet. Like, it did get touched, and that's why it went up, but it didn't go under it and go red. That's what I'm saying. It touched it, and it just bounced off of it, and then you just want to try to catch it where it stopped. So next time it bounces off of it, I'll catch it. Like, if it touches it next time, I'll check for it. I just didn't have money on the line when it did it. So when the money hit, it was already going up. So I knew, like, yeah, it's going up and this and that and this and that, but I still didn't see it. The MA 200 go red. It did not go below that. It touched it and bounced off. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. That's just no, no, no. That's just a no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hey, so we're getting it. We're getting it. See, that's why I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Not gonna get any more trades, and then we're just gonna let it ride. This the first trade. We just gonna let it ride. We're gonna leave this alone. Look, all night we're gonna leave this alone. Remember, I just told you last night it moved $60 easy. Boom. That's what we're looking for now. So we're gonna let it drop under. When it drop under, the hourly gonna hit. When the hourly hit red, then we're gonna get ready to buy it. And we're gonna watch the 1 minute, let the 1 minute finish out, 5 minutes, then we're gonna buy it, and it's a wrap, and we're gonna buy it when it all go red. So that's all we're waiting for. Is every day we're just gonna put in one trade we're just gonna do one trade, one account. So we have $10, start off $10 in one account, throw it in one account, and we'll wait for the hourly. Like, we'll go in the direction of the hourly, but based on one of these price levels. We'll pick like the highest price level that we could find it going to. Like if the MA5 was the only one that was lit up and the MA10 wasn't lit up, then we would just go with the highest one on the MA5, which would be, 94, I guess. Yeah, 94 over 56. So, but I got in right there at the MA10, and the MA10 it did just say 19.12. So that's when I got in. So it just raised by 10. But the MA10 EMA exponential right there is actually at 147. It's 19147. It was still at that same. It's still at that same price level. That's where it was. It touched that price level, bounced off of it to. Didn't even bounce off it. No, it touched it and pushed it because it was green. So it touched it and pushed it and pushed past it to 160. Then from there, bounced down all the way down to here, and it's like, okay, cool. So we just gonna let that ride because I didn't catch it at 140 or 160, and I don't want it to go back up there and I get in it again, and then it just messes me up. So after that, we're leaving this alone. One trade, bro. One trade. Like it's not even a trade. We're holding. It's a share. Like, you have to look at it like a precious asset. It's an asset. It's called assets, or we're trading. They call it trading, and it confuses you. And you got to go back and forth, and not necessarily. You don't have to go back and forth that often. Like, that's what they're not telling you. You have to go back and forth periodically. You don't go back and forth that often. That's the misconception. You're not going back and forth often, bro. You're gonna ride this out until the signal is done. until the 200 MA is touched and it goes red, then you know the RSI right there is gonna be under 30. Once that's under 30 on the hourly, it's a wrap. That's how you know them hourly candles about to be busting on them buys. And it's Friday, and Friday is always a buy day, and I always knew that because I was always trading on Fridays, because I was always trading on every day, because that's just what it was. But that's what I noticed. Friday's always a buy day. But that's all I knew. So I could tell Isaiah, yeah, Friday's a buy day. And he's like, yeah, but the RSI isn't under 30. So it was really about me isolating when the RSI was under 30. So I just wanted to give you a quick market report. So this is officially episode 3. Shout out to Vaccine, no cap vaccine. You know what I'm saying? And so this is just a real quick, one trade. That's it. We're going to let this one ride. And we're going to take the profit from this and throw it into a new account, and then go the same direction until the hourly is topped out on the bottom, actually bottomed out, maxed out under 30 on the RSI hourly. Then we're going to buy out the RSI hourly until it's over 70. That's going to be all day tomorrow. So we're just going to hold this and just let this ride, man, and leave it alone. And that's it. Hourly. And then when we get the signal under the hourly, I'll call it for my peoples to get into their buy. But I'm not going to send this to anybody. I'm putting a video up. I send a video like, yeah, I did this trade and stuff. But I'm not even going to call them to get this one. Just because I just got in now, like whatever. Because I realized like I can get in at the price levels. All right, we're gonna look at these price levels, what they look like on MetaTrader on the hourly. We're gonna have to scroll all the way out though, so you can really see. And I took it off the chart. I took everything else off the chart. So now the chart's way bigger. So now it's not even helpful. That's not even helpful for me right now. 21. Like $20.11. That's where the top of this chart is now, and it's not going to those like soon. It's still gonna drop down. All right. So based on this? What's the notch right under this? 18,920. That's actually where it just bought up from, basically. Right under there is where it just bought up from. So from there, 18,750. That's what it's looking like. For it to push under 920, it will have to push under 893. Push 10 pips, 10 cents under 89. That puts you at 79. 79 puts you at 8, at least 8, between 8 and 7.5. So that's what we're thinking. Touch there. So we let it go under 920 and just wait after it touches under 920 for the RSI to hit under 30. Whenever the RSI hits under 30 on the hourly, then we get it. So it's going to be between 7.5 and 9.2. And that's a big gap, especially if you go more than one time, because that's a $20 difference. From 72 to 92, it's $20 right there, easy. So if you're just starting with only that, which most people I would think don't. I'm a madman, so I'm not gonna throw in more than what I need. Like real talk. Just if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. But if I'm right, and that's what I want to make sure of, just be right, bro. You can do this with $10. Like you want to be able to do this with $10. It's the only way you can make it conceivable for the regular person. $10. Real talk. $20. I'll show you when to put the $20 on the line. That's what we're doing now. So thank you all for watching. 8 minutes in, that's enough for me talking about this bullshit.